topic of differential equation, which is the linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Here, linear differential equation linear differential equation are two types. First form of this linear differential equation is dy upon dx plus py equal to q. This is the first type of linear differential equation, dy upon dx plus py equal to q, where P and Q are constants. And another type of linear differential equation I write here, dx upon dy plus p1x equal to q1, where P1 and Q1 are constants. तो स्टूडेंट आप लोगों ने देखा है कि लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दो टाइप के होते हैं, इनके दो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हैं. फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है dy अपॉन dx प्लस py इक्वल टू q, जहाँ पे p और q दोनों कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं. एंड सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ जो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है dx अपॉन dy प्लस p1x equal to q1, where p1 and q1 are constants. Now, how to find the general solution of linear differential equation? For this, first we find the integrating factor from both. That means, in the first step, we will find integrating factor. Integrating factor. In short, we write IF. This is the integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integration p dx. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integration p dx. With the help of this formula, we can find the integrating factor of this type of linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Now, in the second step, we write the general solution of this linear differential equation. Means general solution. General solution will be equal to y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the formula for finding the general solution of given linear differential equation. And the same way, we can find the general solution of this type of equation. Here, first find integrating factor. Integrating factor IF equal to e to the power integration of p1 into dy. With this formula, we will find the integrating factor of this type of linear equation, linear differential equation. And in the next step, solution, general solution will be x into integrating factor, x into integrating factor equal to integration q1 into IF means integrating factor into dy plus c. Students, remember, if this type of differential equation means dy upon dx plus py equal to q, then on the right side you should be integrate q into if with respect to x. But in this type of linear differential equation, you should be integrate the right side in the solution, right side with respect to y. So there are two type of linear differential equation, and this is the solutions. Now we will take one example and solve, and we see how to find the general solution of given differential equation. We will take one example. Dy upon dx plus y upon x equal to x square. This is example, and this is the linear differential equation of first order. Now first compare this linear differential equation of the first order with dy upon dx plus py equal to q. Here p equal to coefficient of y, means coefficient of y is 1 by x, so p equal to 1 by x, and q equal to x square. Now in the second step we will find integrating factor. Since integrating factor if equal to e to the power integration p into dx, e to the power value of p is 1 by x, this will be 1 by x into dx. As you know that integration of 1 by x is log x, so this will be log of x, be x, if equal to x. This is the integrating factor. Now we will find solution, general solution of this differential equation. Means general solution y into if equal to integration q into if dx plus c. Here y into if equal to x, so this will be y into x equal to integration q is the x square, so write here x square into integrating factor x into dx plus c. This will be x square into x, means x cube, into dx plus c. Everyone know that what is the integration of x cube? Integration of x cube is x raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. And on the left side this will be equal to xy or yx. You can write this xy equal to x raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. This is the answer, and this is the general solution of this differential equation. Okay students.